Greetings one all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Welcome to another Canteen Cup cooking. Today I'm going to be doing a French dip, which I guess really isn't Canteen Cup cooking, it's more boiling water. Wow, that truck's putting off a lot of glare. Yeah, there we go. So I guess it's more Canteen Cup heating because I'm just basically boiling up the au jus, and then I'm going to just heat the roast beef in the jus, toast the bun, put on some horseradish, and yeah, and then eat it. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, looks like our water's up. Yeah, we have boiled. Funny, like a second ago I checked it and it wasn't boiling, but then I turned the camera on and then it was boiling, so good timing. So what I'll do here is I have my London broil, the Boar's Head London broil. And I'll just take the whole thing and just right into the water. So the water will heat up the meat, also add a little flavor to the water, and then you know, if you're in the camp of I like my meat really well done, you could leave it in there longer. I just want to heat it up because I don't mind rare beef. In fact, I find it to be quite good. It only takes like literally a matter of minutes to heat the meat up. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and say it's good enough because I got to toast my bun. My bandana. So all I have to do with this is just set it right here, out of the way. Then I've got my cash and carry griddle. Set the bun here and toast the bun up and hopefully not burn it. Then I've got my little small pizza pan, small as I could get. I put the sandwich on once it's done. I have one slice of Swiss cheese. I like Swiss cheese in my French dip. Then I have some extra hot horseradish, Beaver extra hot horseradish, good stuff. And no, I don't mix mine. I put mine in straight. Oh yeah, because you want to feel that heat. At least I like the heat. Because what's nice about horseradish, it'll burn, but then it goes away. It doesn't like linger around like peppers. I feel those toasting up. What's this doing? Oh, it's got a boil going, so I'll just set it right here. Cool. Alright, I think we're about done. It doesn't have to be super toasted. I mean, if you like it really dark, you like your bread really dark, I mean, you could leave it on longer, but I'm okay with that. Plus, I'm hungry, so get the meat out. Oh yeah, look at that. I got that one in one go. My cheese. Probably should have brought more than one, but It's alright, we'll just make do. Alright, I get the... Alright. We have the bun. Oh yeah. A little hard to juggle, but it's alright. Yeah, I really like horseradish, so I lather on quite a bit. So that's that. And we'll and that's, there you go. That's one French dip. And I'll get my canteen of jus. We're gonna have to arrange the camera so you can see. One French dip. Handle cool enough. Yep. Mmm. Oh yeah. Mmm. That's good stuff. Horseradish really isn't that hot though, unfortunately, but I mean, it's still flavorful. Mm-mm. Just a few simple ingredients out here in the woods and you can have yourself a damn fine meal. It really didn't take a lot of specialized equipment. I mean, you could probably just toast the bun right over a couple sticks. Just something to boil in is all you need. Tasty. Well, I'm going to enjoy my sandwich. So as always, thanks for watching. I appreciate your views, your comments, your questions. Post them down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Sandwich was good. Of course, I'm one of those people, I drink the broth too. Looks like I missed a piece of meat.